Hello guys, in today's video I am playing Fortnite and I am going to tell you guys the best spot to land in Fortnite solos. So let's load in a game. So let's get in a game. It's near the agency. It's right of the agency. It's like a house. It has around 5-6 chests. 3 chests inside of the house, 2 chests outside of the house. There are actually 3 outside of the house, but you need to a little bit rotate. It's on a bridge. It's near a bridge. It's like really close it. It's like the best spot to land. It has like 5-6 chests. I'm just going to tell you guys where it's at, and I'm going to loot it. I'm in a solo match, normal solo match. So I'm going to mark it on the map now. It's right over here. This the agency, the right of it, this house. It's pretty in the middle, so you are probably gonna get a circle, so that's pretty good. It's like not in the corner of the map or something. You need to run a lot to get in the circle. So this is like a great place. That is the bridge that I told you guys. It has a one chest too, but I don't prefer because it would probably think so though. Could be. There's also a house and a gas station over here, but that could be looted too. Yeah, someone is going through that. First of all, to go in this bushes like over here near the house, just for the test, right? So you just go in the house now. It has 3 chests, yeah, at the same time. That's like so good. Like I have 100 armor. That's so good and so fast. That's so good now. I have like 100 armor. That's pretty lucky, but you're probably going to get it in like 5 chests. 4 chests now, and 1 is outside of the house. I'm just going to show you guys where it is now, but let me just loot this place. I got shotgun and an SMG. I need a tack because I like tack more than pumps. Done. I have looted this place. Now as you guys can see, this tree over here, there's like one more chest right over there. You are just going to loot that. I don't even get an air, but okay, no worries. There's another chest right over here. Here it is. It has not been looted. So good. Pretty good loot, guys. I just need an AR. Oh my god, a llama. What a chance, guys. I'm going to loot this too. Just going to search it. Boom. Alrighty. There's like another house, but it was probably someone gone there, so it's probably looted. Yeah, so guys, this was my looting spot, the best looting spot. There's like no one landing at here. You can get 6 chests as I shown you. 3 in the house under the tree, 1 in the bushes near the campfire, and another under the 5 chests, and the 6th one is under the bridge, in the bridge I mean. So yeah, that's 6 chests, and another one right over here in this truck. So that's 7 if you want to count it. I know I got an AR. Wow. Ooh. The best order. No one has intelligence. I just want to fish now. I don't know. Want to. Let's do it. Is there any fishing spots nearby? I don't care if I get killed, really, because I have like around 80 wins. I don't care about wins that much. I'm pretty good player. And another chest right over here. That's 8 chests, guys. So quick, you can get 8 chests. I see no hope here. Pretty cool. There's like 4 days left from the update. What is I would like a lot of floppers now. Oh my god, how many floppers? So thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. This was my best spot to land in Fortnite Battle Royale. Thank you guys for watching the video. Bye guys.